Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show a couple cards I have made. I just made this today, these two. I bought some supply like die and stamps, embossing folders, of the stuff. So this card is, for this particular one, it's a combination of dies and embossing. Well, this is more, yeah, embossing powder. I use that, and ink, and it's regular paper, craft paper, stuck. I'm gonna probably put a white paper inside to be able to write things. I also like play around with all my dice, and it was like so hard to come up with ideas. So I just made a bunch of die. So I didn't put anything inside right now. So I'm just gonna, this is a shaker card. I made a few days ago. This is a die as well. And then this embossing folder. And this is a paper I got from Michael's the other day with the embossing paper. And then I made a couple of these. And this pumpkin actually I got from Target, and the stickers too. I had the Target haul, I think. And just made just trying to use some, you can see it's kind of same paper pads. This is one and this is two. Just trying to use them up so not wasted. And I did some ink on the edges. And nothing inside. I didn't do anything much inside right now. Just focus on the outside. So yeah, I was like kind of have fun making all this stuff. But sometimes I'm just running out of ideas. It's like too much options. So I don't know what to do anymore. So I'm actually selling them on eBay right now. It's pretty cheap because I have no idea what I'm gonna do with all these cards. My mom's cards, birthday's coming up, so I might give her one of these for birthdays. But then I just made a bunch of them. And this one actually I used I just bought a embossing powder from Michael's. But I don't know, it's like very shining. And this is the other ones. This two I put a more dimension to it, almost like 3D. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will post the videos often as possible. Ciao.